spend the word your daddy in me low. And mama they pay school fees now. As someone gets up, oh, the young mama can close your daddy and wish you. And they bring in the song. In fact, any song great for America, the Nigerians the best to cover. When I don't bring hello, it's me. I was wondering back to Lord, he says he like to me. Pasuma, doing version. And Pasuma come and say, hello, a minute. She be California and you know
Skyline.
The other side. They don't bring it now. I want what Igbo Kweno. They can spread any song. No matter after the reggae, play the blues, they spread them. I'm sorry reggae, play no Chineke. Make you to win, make you to sit down when you're mad. Enjoy yourself, baby. My brothers and sisters, if we are born, yes, able. They spread all the songs. But the one when I like fast, if you know this song, sing with me. Or if you don't want to make some noise, ladies and gentlemen.
Make some noise for Canada!
Ladies and gentlemen, I get one dream. Say Michael Bolton, like I was saying, when a man loves a woman, go come Nigeria and say, yeah, I want to do the remix of When a Man Loves a Woman with King Wasiwa and Demasha. You have seen King Wasiwa? Just say, yeah, King Wasiwa, you ready? That one will reply, show Yahweh, that is better game. You go see Michael Bolton, what's on the stand? When a man loves a woman, he can think of nothing else. He shares the word for the good things he's done. King Wasiwa. Don't be the one that can make you that show. So, but I made you see, I like you are see you. If I care, but if you know this song, sing with me. Finally.
Contributo lì, Tatijo.
And then, hold on, that man they collect 2.5 now per show. Or that means they collect 3.5. Then the man say, don't sing it, or that means they sing, they don't go sing. And the man start, Kilonko, Taba Oliko, or that means they take us here. I want now, I got it, and your mom will be. Somebody been money pay any amount will be mobile information, no radio, no TV. All your money oh, we nobody. Oh, your shakiti bobo, oh, your shakiti bobo. You have to leave the same for Justin Bieber, eh? Justin Bieber. Kilo kota wa oliko, get I know that I ought to pay. Is it too late to say sorry now? Sorry. Yes, sir. Rihanna is coming on stage. Kini Rihanna kono. I want to say, Rihanna see say every day you work. Do you have me ready? What do you have? It's Kelly Blaq! Ladies and gentlemen, if you know this song, sing with me. Ajeku ya nyoje. Ajeku ya nyoje. Eni to nino. I saw when I go to America, I see R. Kelly doing versions. I saw R. Kelly just say, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call my girlfriend. I was surprised. DJ Blaq, sweet apple. R. Kelly. DJ, people they take the balance. R. Kelly said, no, I'm going to call my wife. How can my wife be boyfriend protecting me? I'm going to show you. It's crazy. I ain't got it for you. Hello, baby.
Laura.
Your escort.
Cola for me, cola.
Yes, he said he's coming over to make me pay for all the things he's done for you. I've been waiting. His number ain't going anymore. If you got away, I can reach him. I wanna let him know that I check who you have your check, baby.
Sing it, Kenny.
I check who you have your check, baby. And it's all Tony, nothing, nothing me. I check who you have your check. I check who you have your check, baby. You let this good girl go. You be moved.
It's Kelly Blaq!
Okay, that's that. Exactly, let's go now. What do you have, DJ? What do you have? What do you have for me? Now, if you know this sound, think of me. Shoot! What? Is that how you, that guy? I dey imagine say God share destiny. God come talk say, hold on. God come talk say, Usher go be coca. Coca for Nigeria go be Usher. Imagine say when God dey share inspiration, God give Shuperu to Usher. How Usher want to sing Shuperu? Make Usher go just come say, yeah, set up a song tonight. It's show, shake it out. So when I say why did you say call it back, baby?
Yeah, baby.
You know we're wrong. Mr. DJ, you got shoot.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Usher Raymond!
Hey baby, remember back then, you said I was a loser. You said I ain't got money to take up a good girl like you. You left me, baby. You said I can afford to take you out. Now I've got money. You call me back for me calling you baby. I think I should let you do something. Sure.
You wanna dance, you wanna dance, now you wanna dance, shoot. You don't wanna laugh, you don't wanna laugh, now you wanna laugh, shoot. You don't wanna dance, you don't wanna dance, now you wanna dance, shoot. You don't wanna laugh, you don't wanna laugh, ah. When I say shoot,
Shoot better.
what is it? Is that how you used to know somebody cannot play with you? Shoot,
Shoot better.
what is it? Is that how you used to know somebody cannot play with you? Yeah, you baby girl now. Hold it back, baby, baby, now, now.
Hold it back.
Say you love me, baby. Yeah, baby. You said, oh, well, up and do something now.
Oh, well, I can do something now.
Shoot.
Very young man.
Okay, let's go now, let's go now.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you love Kenny Blaq, make some noise! One more, Kenny, one more.
I did my own show for a hotel July 23rd. I did right on the phone now. In fact, ticket now 5,000. We're going to say today Lagos at 50. Now still 5,000.
I remember that.
Give me Egyptian or Ed Sheeran. This show, I don't need to go for Lagos. So I'm going to make a door for now. I want that with different beats. Are you going, Mr. DJ? Yeah, give me. Let's go. Let's, as a little let's go. Oh yeah.
Shama.
The first time I go meet them that they car and they is. They say get the black. You don't need to marry. I said don't get stressed to marry, don't get liver. They say what of that waiting outside. I say bros, baby, I want to advise you. Please help me. He said where's that? I say bros, I say, wait, see, that girl for corner, so somebody could call her. See, the way she did my man, I see far for you. See, and if she follow me, go now, enjoyment go. But when I say, go meet her yourself, now go with the girl. I say, fine girl. I say, girl. I said, I need a one dance. I'll better see in my head. One more time before I go. Ask mama, I say, if you give your heart to me, I'm not gonna let you go now. Girl, I'm not gonna do you pasa. He said, excuse me. I said, girl, you should make up your mind. Take it back to my shrine. I'ma need the whole night. I'ma need you. Say, excuse me. I say, I say, see. I told you I better love than you see. If I need problem, I get that thing with you. Let me get you go to whiskey. After you say whiskey, you say, oh my God, whiskey. Whiskey say, what? What's the problem? He said, whiskey boy, baby there. No, baby there. Star boy. Then whiskey look up, say, yeah. I get a big back when they make me feel alive and they make me feel amazing. I get the girls when they give me things I made. He say, Kenny Blaq, Papala, Kenny Blaq. Let's look again. He say, yeah. Then again, look me. I say, I got a cheeky too from the downtown side. She She dey shut me up when I feel alright. See, the girl say Kenny Blaq. I say what? She say I love you now. I say sick money. Now to do beggar. Hey, what's it better? I want to be cool temper. See, I say what's with me? If I give you the number, 1 kilo, 7 good night, people.